Popular Mutare transport operator dies in road accident. The 1st of September 2025. By a correspondent. Mutare, a well-known transport operator in Mutare, Mr. Godfrey Chikosi, has died alongside 5 others in a tragic road accident that occurred Friday night along the Mutare Chimanimani Road, near the Himalaya turnoff. According to initial reports, 4 people, including Mr. Chikosi, died on the spot, while 2 others succumbed to injuries at Victoria Chaitpo Provincial Hospital. 1 survivor is currently admitted at the same hospital with severe injuries. Although acting Manicaland Provincial Police spokesperson, Assistant Inspector Weissman Chinioka, was not immediately available for comment, the news was confirmed by fellow transporter and businessman Mr. Isao Mupfumi. He dispatched a team early Saturday morning to assess the scene of the accident. The tragic loss has sent shockwaves through Mutare, where Mr. Chikosi was widely regarded as a key figure in the local transport sector. Manica Post.